In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of each page in Microsoft Word, giving you the flexibility to create unique and visually appealing documents. Whether you're designing a presentation or just want to add some flair to your pages, this simple trick will allow you to customize the color for every page individually. Let's dive right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Once it's open, go to the Design tab in the toolbar at the top of the screen. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Page Color. Click on that and a color palette will appear with a variety of colors to choose from. Now, if you want to apply a color to the entire document, you can simply click on one of these colors. But here's the fun part. If you want to change the background color for individual pages, the process is a bit different. To apply a different color to specific pages, we'll need to use shapes. First, place your cursor at the beginning of the page where you want the new color to start. Then, go to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. From the drop-down menu, select Rectangle. Resize the rectangle so that it fits the page. Once you've resized it, copy the shape and place your cursor on the page where you want the new background color. Then, use Ctrl-V or right-click and select Paste to add the shape to the new page. After that, right-click on the rectangle, click Format Shape, and choose Fill. From here, select the color you want to apply to that page. Next, right-click again on the shape, select Send to Back, and then choose Send Behind Text to make sure the color doesn't cover your text. To apply different colors to other pages, simply repeat this process. Just place the shape where you want the color to start and adjust the fill color accordingly. And there you have it. By using shapes and the page color option, you can easily customize the background color of each page in your Microsoft Word document. Whether it's for a professional report, a creative project, or a personal document, this technique gives you full control over your page design. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.